Hello, my name is Sam McLure. I'm the founder of the adoption law firm. Today we're going to talk about the adoption home study letter of reference. Now, in every unrelated adoption in Alabama, the court is going to require that the home study submit 6 letters of reference. 4 of those are going to be from people unrelated to the petitioner. So you may be asked to write an adoption home study letter of reference. So let's talk about what goes into that. Number one, let's talk about what is the purpose of this letter of reference. The purpose is for the court to have peace of mind or to have evidence that the people seeking to adopt this child are good parents. They're going to take good care of the child and they're not going to hurt the child. And if you have any serious doubts concerning whether or not this potential adoptive couple should be adopting, you have a responsibility to express that in your letter of reference. So here's 5 basic things that the court or social worker is going to look for in a good adoption home study letter of reference. Number 1, how long have you known the couple? Have you known them for only 2 weeks or 5 years or 10 years or your whole life? That's going to be relevant. Number 2, what is your relationship to the couple? Are you their neighbor? Do you know them from Sunday school? Do you know them from the neighborhood watch committee? And number 3, what is the couple's character? Most importantly, what is the couple's character? Describe their attributes. If you've seen them interacting with children, describe that if it's positive. If you've seen them to be faithful and have integrity, these things are important, and that's what we're looking for in the letter of reference. So I'm going to read a brief example to get you started about what should go into a letter of reference. First, the date. It should be addressed to whom it may concern. And it may sound something like this. I've known Joe and Sally Smith for 10 years. I've been involved with Joe and Sally as members of the Neighborhood Watch Committee and in Sunday school classes. I've observed that Joe and Sally are very kind and patient people. Although they do not have any children of their own, they have always interacted in a kind and friendly way with the children at our church. Joe and Sally are always pleasant to each other and the people around them. I do not know of anything in their character or history. Now that's important to say, like you don't know of anything. I do not know of anything in their character or history that should prevent them from being successful adoptive parents. If the adverse is true, you should state it there. I give my unreserved recommendation that they should be allowed to adopt a child or children. Sincerely, Martha Ernest. So notice that last phrase was, I give my unreserved recommendation. You are being called upon to give a recommendation, and you should do that freely. If you have any more questions about an adoption home study letter of reference, please don't hesitate to reach out to us today.